Hello, friends, and welcome to English with Sam and Zoe, the place where English feels simple and fun to learn. I'm Zoe.
Welcome, Zoe, and dear friends, I'm Sam. Good to have you here.
Sam, let me ask you something. Have you ever heard a native speaker say, give up, look up, or turn down, and you understood every single word, but the sentence still made no sense?
Oh yes, that happens to me all the time. It is so confusing.
That is exactly what we are talking about today, my friends. These little word pairs are called phrasal verbs.
And trust me, if you learn just 20 of them, your English will sound so much more natural.
So stay with us because today we are sharing the 20 most useful phrasal verbs.
Simple words, real examples. Let's get started.
Okay, Sam, first, let's explain it simply. What is a phrasal verb?
Good question. A phrasal verb is a verb plus a small word, like up, on, or out. Together, they make a new meaning.
Right, like give up. Give means one thing, but give up means to stop trying.
Exactly, and that is why phrasal verbs feel tricky. The meaning changes completely.
That is so true. I remember when I first heard look after, I thought it meant to look behind something.
But it actually means to take care of someone.
Right, like, can you look after my dog this weekend?
I completely agree. That is a perfect example. Okay, let's start our list. Number 1, wake up.
Easy one. It means to stop sleeping. I wake up at 7 every morning.
Number 2, get up. This means to leave your bed.
So wake up and get up are different?
Yes, you can wake up but stay in bed. Getting up means you actually stand.
Oh, that is interesting. I never thought about that difference before.
Number 3, turn on. It means to start a machine. Turn on the lights, please.
And the opposite is turn off, number 4. Turn off your phone during class.
Very useful in daily life. Number 5, look for. It means to search for something.
I am looking for my keys. I say that every morning.
Me too, honestly. Number 6, find out. It means to discover information.
I found out the news yesterday. Great one. Number 7, give up.
We already mentioned this. It means to stop trying. Don't give up on your dreams.
So encouraging. Number 8, come on. We use this to encourage someone or to hurry them.
Come on, we're going to be late.
Number 9, put on. It means to wear something. Put on your jacket, it's cold.
And the opposite, number 10, take off. Remove clothes, or when a plane leaves the ground.
2 meanings in one phrase. Take off your shoes or the plane took off.
Very smart connection, Zoe. Number 11, get along. It means to have a good relationship.
My sister and I get along really well.
That's lovely. Number 12, run into. It means to meet someone by accident.
I ran into my old friend at the market yesterday.
Oh, really? That must have been a nice surprise.
It was. Number 13, hang out. It means to spend relaxed time with friends.
Let's hang out this weekend. Very common phrase among young people.
Number 14, check out. It can mean to look at something or to leave a hotel.
Check out this new restaurant, or we checked out of the hotel at noon. All right, let's continue our list. Number 15, figure out. It means to understand something after thinking.
I finally figured out the math problem. That felt so good.
I bet. Number 16, bring up. It means to mention a topic or to raise a child.
She brought up an interesting point in the meeting.
Number 17, break down. It can mean a machine stops working or someone becomes very upset.
My car broke down on the highway. So stressful.
That is so true. That happened to me once too. Number 18, carry on. It means to continue doing something.
Please carry on with your work. Very polite way to say continue.
Number 19, set up. It means to prepare or organize something.
We need to set up the chairs before the guests arrive.
And our final one, number 20, work out. It has 2 meanings, to exercise or to end successfully.
I work out every morning and everything worked out fine in the end.
2 very useful meanings in one phrase.
Sam, 20 phrasal verbs already. Can you believe how much we covered today?
I really can't. And here's the secret, friends. You don't need to memorize all 20 at once.
Exactly. Pick 3 or 4. Use them in your own sentences this week.
That is the best way to remember anything. Use it in real life.
I completely agree. Practice always beats memorizing.
So, friends, which phrasal verb do you already use? Or which one is new for you?
Let us know in the comments. We would love to hear from you.
Now let's do our spoken recap. This is where we quickly remind you of the key points from today's episode in simple spoken English.
Today, we learned that phrasal verbs are a verb plus a small word, and together they create a brand new meaning.
We also learned 20 common phrasal verbs like give up, look for, and work out.
And most importantly, the best way to learn them is to use them, not just memorize them.
This segment is called Fix It. Here we share common mistakes learners make and show you the correct way to say it.
Mistake 1. People say, I look my keys. The correct phrase is, I am looking for my keys.
Mistake 2. People say the plane took off from the ground. Simply say the plane took off. No need for extra words.
Mistake 3. People confuse wake up and get up. Remember, waking up means opening your eyes. Getting up means standing from bed.
In this segment, we compare a basic phrase with a more advanced way to say the same thing.
Basic, I stopped trying. Advanced, I gave up.
Basic, I understood it after thinking. Advanced, I figured it out.
Basic, I met him by chance. Advanced, I ran into him.
Now let's look at synonyms, different words that share a similar meaning to phrases from today.
Give up is similar to quit or surrender.
Figure out is similar to understand or solve.
Hang out is similar to spend time or relax together.
Finally, our vocabulary list, 8 to 10 key words from today with simple examples.
Phrasal verb, a verb plus a small word with a new meaning. Example, give up means to stop trying.
Give up, to stop trying. Example, never give up on your goals.
Look for, to search for something. Example, I am looking for my glasses.
Find out, to discover information. Example, I found out the truth yesterday.
Figure out, to understand after thinking. Example, I figured out the answer.
Run into, to meet someone by accident. Example, I ran into my teacher today.
Hang out, to spend relaxed time with friends. Example, we hung out at the park.
Break down, a machine stops working or someone gets upset. Example, my phone broke down.
Set up, to prepare or organize. Example, we set up the tables for the party.
Work out, to exercise or to end successfully. Example, everything worked out well.
What an amazing episode, Sam! Today we learned 20 useful phrasal verbs, words like give up, look for, hang out, figure out, run into, and work out.
So many great ones. Friends, comment below, which phrasal verb do you use the most in your daily life?
We would love to read your answers. Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, friends!
Take care, everyone.